Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Pesto Aioli, an incredibly versatile and flavorful condiment. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients for both the vibrant pesto and the creamy aioli components. Having everything ready, especially at room temperature, ensures a smooth and delicious final product. This simple guide will help you create a delightful sauce perfect for many dishes. First, let's create the heart of our aioli, the pesto. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. Next, add 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, along with a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. While blending, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the mixture is beautifully smooth and fragrant. Now for the magic of combining our fresh pesto with the creamy aioli base. In a medium bowl, gently fold 1 cup of your homemade pesto into 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. To brighten the flavors and add a lovely tang, squeeze in the juice from 1/2 of a fresh lemon. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniformly green. Before serving, always taste your pesto aioli and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or a touch more lemon juice to suit your preference. This versatile condiment is fantastic with sandwiches, grilled vegetables, or seafood. Store any unused aioli in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.